Hey guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So today I want to give you guys a look at my morning routine on the best day. On my most productive day, this is what I'm going to do. I want to be completely honest. There are a lot of days that I sleep until 12 o'clock, that I don't feel like getting out of bed, that I feel overwhelmed, I feel super down, just not feeling my best. Everything looks pretty and put together on the internet, but that is not real life. On my best day, I do all of these things, but on my worst day, I try to do just one. If you happen to be new around here, make sure you click the subscribe button. I would love to have you. We're all about life on a budget. I'm a mom of 2 little boys. I'm from Philly, and I would love to have you, so click that subscribe button. Make sure you are still subscribed. If you want to be subscribed, and give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out more than you'll ever know. My little dying channel, the thumbs up help a ton. First thing out the bat, when I wake up, making my coffee makes me extremely happy. Either it's iced coffee or hot coffee. I love coffee. I like the routine of making the coffee. My Nespresso maker is my favorite thing. I'll link my Nespresso maker and some of my favorite pods in my Amazon store if you guys want to get it, because I get a ton of questions on it over on Instagram. But making coffee in the morning is just the way that I give myself a little treat. I can sit down and focus, and I always write out a to-do list. On my most productive day, I always write out a to-do list, and I've done to-do lists for years. It helps to keep me focused, it allows for me to claim my time, and I don't allow other people to run my day. Even though I have a lot of people depending on me, like my kids, my husband, my job, myself, I have to fit in all of those things into a very small amount of time. And if I scroll on social media for too long, or if I allow my kids to have me in Target all day, I'll waste my whole day, and then I don't feel productive, and then that doesn't make me feel good because I knew that I had stuff to do. So time blocking is one that I really enjoy because it allows you to set out designated times that you're going to do certain things. So typically in the morning is getting the house put together, getting my kids set up, getting me put together, like all of my makeup and everything like that. And then in the afternoon, I spend it dedicated to working. Snacks, snacks, snacks. Sarah loves her snacks. Let me share with you guys some of my favorite Dollar Tree snacks that I like to keep stocked in the house. I absolutely love the jalapeno lime chips that you can find. They are delicious for just $1. My kids love the frosted animal crackers. I always need some type of energy drink or afternoon pick-me-up. This one is really good from V8. I love those. I find setting up my kids with a whole little station where they can access their snacks, spoons, bowls for cereal, drinks, it allows them to really be more independent and to get the stuff on their own. So I found this super cute little wicker basket it was the Restore that's up in like Oxford Valley, but they sell like secondhand stuff. So I set up this whole little breakfast setup for them. I put the Nutri-Grain bars in there, I put bowls, spoons. I was also putting some drinks and maybe some applesauce, so just easy things that they can grab if they're hungry for breakfast and I'm not up yet, or whatever, to make them independent. I'm all about making independent men, and I love to do this. So this next one really isn't productivity, it's more about the mental health aspect of it. When my house is clean and smells good, it makes me in such a better mood. So I want to share with you guys a DIY Febreze that you can make super easy and use it while making the bed. You're not going to need much. All you're going to need is the Downy Unstoppable little beads. You can find a much smaller pack at Dollar Tree, but this is what I had on hand. You're also going to need some Gain fabric softener, hydrogen peroxide, and then a bottle. You can also add in a little bit of alcohol if you want, but this is what I do. I just heat up some of the water on the stove so that I can add the Downy Unstoppable beads to the warm water. I do about like 3/4 of the cup and add it in, stir it up so that all of the beads will dissolve. Then you're going to go ahead and add in all of the other ingredients. So you're going to do the fabric softener, you're going to do the peroxide, and then if you're doing the alcohol, you can do that as well. Mix it all up, add it to the bottle, fill the bottle the rest of the way up with cold water, and now you have your own DIY Febreze to make any area in your house smell better. I think it's safe to say that one load of laundry helps to keep the doctor away, or at least it is for me, because it helps with my mental health so much. On my worst day, I don't feel like being bothered with clothes, and then it starts to pile up and it becomes super overwhelming. But if you try to do just one load of laundry every day, even if you're not washing, folding it, putting it away, and all of that kind of stuff, just take the wash from the washer, put it in the dryer, boom, take it off your checklist. These small little checks off your checklist can help so much. That's why I find the to-do list to be so productive, that even if it's the smallest thing, like wash your hair, brush your teeth, checking it off the checklist is like accomplishing something for the day, and small victories are the best victories. From my best day to my worst day, lighting a candle is always a great option. I feel like we downplay the power of aromatherapy, but it really can help to shift your mood, to make you more energized. It can make you sleepy. If you like to do the air diffusers, those really work with the essential oils. I find those to be really powerful. But do not sleep on lighting that candle. If you're not feeling great, you're not feeling motivated, you're not feeling in the best mood, light a candle. I promise it's going to help. If you're a naturally messy person like me, one thing that really helps to jumpstart my day to be a little bit more clean and productive is making my bed. This is not something that I did since childhood. That's a learned habit. It's something that I'm trying to train my brain into getting into. So I went out and bought the most amazing sheet set. I love my new comforter and pillows, and I really love it. So every morning I like to make my bed because I like to see the finished product of the bed being made. But that in turn makes me pick up the dirty stuff off the floor, maybe put my makeup away, and just that one little task can help jumpstart your day to be more clean and tidy and productive, because it's easy to let things pile up, especially for naturally messy people like myself. Oh, just let it go today, it's not that big of a deal, and then you let it go the next day and the next day, and now you're falling out of the habit of making your bed and things are starting to pile up. So on your worst day, get up, make that bed, make your mama proud. When I was a new mom, I felt like my appearance did not matter. I didn't take pride in taking care of myself. I just was always with a baby. But one thing that I realized after having my second son is getting ready every single day really can affect how you feel about yourself, and how you feel about yourself is how you treat others. So I try every single day to get up, put my makeup on, do a little something with my hair. My hair is always the thing I let go, so I'll typically just do a ponytail, put on an outfit, and then you're ready for the day. Once I'm done focusing on getting myself ready, then I go ahead and get my kids ready. They're like to that age where they can kind of focus on themselves, so they really do their own thing, but I just want to make sure that they've had breakfast, that they brush their teeth, that they're not having the same clothes on for 4 days, because my kids will do that, and I just make sure that they're good to go so that I can go and do what I have to do in the rest of the afternoon. There are 2 chores that I do every single morning before my afternoon starts, and the first one is washing the dishes. I hate to have a full sink, and I absolutely love using my Scrub Daddy, so I don't mind doing the dishes. I typically just put on one of my favorite Judge Judy's or People's Court. I'll watch it on my phone and quickly do the dishes so that my sink is clean for the rest of the day, because then we'll have lunch dishes and dinner dishes, and then if I let that pile up, it becomes way too much for me. And the second thing is to sweep the floor. These hardwood floors are vicious. I hate crumbs on the bottom of my feet, and I feel like these floors just collect crumbs. So I'll just do a really quick sweep and sweep the kitchen, and I typically don't do like the other areas, but for the most part the kitchen is like my area, so I always try to do that.
To be somewhere else, to be able to find myself, shouldn't be so complicated.
We want to have days where we're sitting, chilling, hanging out, But when you do that for too long, you just don't feel like you did anything. So get up, be productive, and seize the day because you are amazing. You guys, you're still here. You're a real one. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Leave the hidden word bear in the comment section down below. Leave it in a funny, snarky, cute kind of way, and I'll feature some of you guys in my next video. Follow me over on Instagram, TikTok. Follow the podcast. It would mean the world to me. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time for another video. Bye, you guys.
I am